In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a gift card via PayPal. Sending a digital gift card is a quick, thoughtful way to celebrate a birthday, say thanks, or handle a last-minute gift. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you feel confident before you hit send. Start by signing into your PayPal account. Use a trusted device and a secure connection, and make sure your account is set to the correct country, since available brands can vary by region. Next, open the PayPal digital gift card store. You can access it from within PayPal by searching for gift cards or navigating to the section dedicated to digital gifts. This is where you'll browse all the participating retailers. Choose a gift card brand that fits the occasion. Take a moment to glance at the card's details, like any regional restrictions, whether it's usable online, in store, or both, and if there are special terms. Since these are digital cards, delivery happens by email, which is perfect for fast gifting. Now select the gift card amount. Many brands offer fixed denominations, and some let you choose a custom value. Confirm the currency matches what your recipient will use, and note any taxes or fees that might apply. Enter the recipient's email address carefully. This is the most important field because the gift card will be delivered there. Double check for typos and make sure it's an inbox they actively check. Enter your name so the recipient knows who sent the gift. This name appears in the delivery email and helps your message feel personal and trustworthy. If you'd like, add a short message. Keep it friendly and clear, something like a greeting or why you chose this gift. Avoid including any sensitive details here. Before you pay, review all the details. Confirm the brand, the amount, the recipient's email, your name, and your message. Look for the estimated delivery time and ensure everything is exactly how you want it. When you're ready, pay with PayPal. Choose your preferred funding source, balance, bank, or card, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete checkout. Click Send to finalize the gift. You should see a confirmation that your order is processing, along with a receipt you can save for your records. The recipient will receive the gift card by email, typically within minutes, complete with the amount, the brand, and instructions to redeem. Remind them to check their spam or promotions folder if they don't see it right away. That's it. Simple, fast, and secure.